Welcome to my channel, Davinci, Framed by Davinci. I am a fashion and portrait photographer located in Miami, Florida, and I wanted to do this introduction video. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you are new here, what you can see on this channel, man, because I'm in the fashion space, you're going to see a lot of behind the scenes of my photo shoots, the type of gear that I use, the lighting situations, and I'm going to try to definitely educate when I am shooting behind the scenes. So whether you're a beginning photographer or a seasoned photographer, this is where I'm going to give you some game on how my process goes and what it's like for me working on set for fashion brands, swimwear brands, etc. I'm also going to be doing gear and I would call them gear reviews and tutorials, kind of on the specs. Not too techy, but my vibes of giving you some gear reviews and some open boxes of plenty of gear that I have, or some gear that's been sent to me from different brands, and also behind the scenes of how these fashion shows go. Not only just the runway shows, but what is it like preparing for a fashion show. So if you're new here, thank you. Hopefully you find some value in my channel. Make sure you do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and welcome. I'm Davinci.